Woke up this morning early just to see.
You're good, man. Go ahead.
Tight to you?
I gotta pull.
What do you think, Sarah? Does it look tight? I think it looks awesome. Oh my gosh.
I gotta pull. Go ahead. Go. Just don't think, just do it. You got it.
It's not that I wanted to say goodbye, it's just the time you know. Sit here waiting with my impatience, it grows every day. With this feeling stuck rocking a hard place, my channel about to cave. But I guess I never really gave you a good enough, never a good enough reason to stay. And I guess I'll blame it on the bad timing of my lack of things to say. So stack, ooh, I've been doing my best and I let you fall apart in your pieces. Stack, ooh, I've been doing my best and I let you fall apart in your pieces. I tried to keep this consistent and keep it to myself, but I don't wanna clean the dust and bring some leaves sitting on my shelf. Sitting waiting on my impatience grows every day. And the last thing I wanna hear is that I can't stay. And I lay you